This is ECU E40 and the CPU is MC68377. We used to use the BDM NT to program the flash, and in this video I'm going to do the programming both using BDM NT as well as the U-Link NT. First, I have soldered the wires, the jumper wires, and I connect the BDM NT, and we can connect to the USB and power on. And in the software we can detect, and we already have the backup here, so we can verify, which is doing the read, and it's okay. So now let's try to erase it. And see if it's erased. It is. So let's go back to program backing. Double check it. So let's verify the programming. Program passed. So let's switch to the U-Link NT. So I soldered the jumper wire like this, so I can switch between the U-Link NT and the BDM NT. So this wire is the DI, and DO is the orange. Green is clock and blue is reset. Purple is BEER. Gray is freeze. And white is ground. So I'm going to use a USB hub. And let's plug it in. Okay, let's power back on again. Detect, and the clock speed is 4.5 meg. The 9 meg does not work on this ECU, so let's verify it. That's okay, so let's do an erase. Initialize it, see if it works. Okay, so it's erased. Let's program back. Yeah, the programming speed is almost identical to the BDM NT. Let's verify it. a little bit faster in the read speed. So in this video, I have shown you the Ulink NT is working on the BDM target as well as the BDM NT.